Hello, little learners! Welcome back to our phonics class. Today, we will learn second set of phonics. Listen carefully and repeat after me. C and K say K. Repeat after me. K, K, K. Now, let's learn some words with K. K. Cat. K. Cup. K. Car. K. Kite. K. King. Great job! E says eh. Repeat after me. Eh, eh, eh. Now let's learn some words with eh. Eh, egg. Eh, elephant. Eh, ear. Eh, engine. Eh, envelope. Well done! H says H. Repeat after me. H, H, H. Now let's learn some words with H. H. Hat. H. Hen. H. House. H. Hand. H. Horse. Awesome! R says R. Repeat after me. R, R, R. Now let's learn some words with R. R, rat. R, red. R, ring. R, rain. R, rabbit. Excellent! M says mm. Repeat after me. Mm, mm, mm. Now let's learn some words with mm. Mm, man. Mm, milk. Mm, moon. Mm, map. Mm, monkey. Nice work! D says D. Repeat after me. D, D, D. Now let's learn some words with D. D. Dog. D. Duck. D. Door. D. Drum. D. Doll. Fantastic! Let's say all the sounds together. K, eh, h, o, m, d. Amazing work! Quiz time! Now it's your turn. What is the beginning sound of cat? What is the beginning sound of elephant? What is the beginning sound of hat? What is the beginning sound of rabbit? What is the beginning sound of monkey? What is the beginning sound of dog? Keep practicing your sounds every day. Great job, little learners! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.